Welcome to RCTech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, let's look at how we can do tweet sentiment analysis using Hugging Face transformers. Okay, this involves two parts. One is scraping tweets from Twitter, and the second part is doing sentiment analysis with the Hugging Face transformers. So if you are new here and if you like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Okay, so I'll be using the Twint Python package. So Twint is an advanced Twitter scraping tool written in Python. It allows for scraping tweets from Twitter profiles without using Twitter's API. So I had applied for Twitter's API. I never got any reply back from Twitter. So if you don't have access to Twitter API, then this is a good tool for you to extract tweets from Twitter. Okay. And what I'm interested over here is that I want to look at tweets which are related to the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is a mobile phone launched by OnePlus recently. So I'm going to look at certain tweets about this phone and then try to do some sentiment analysis using Hugging Face transformers. Let's go to our notebook directly. So when I was looking for Twitter scraping with Twint, I got this nice article over here which explains how you can actually scrape tweets from Twitter. Okay, so from there I found out that you need to install this particular package because there are some compatibility issues between Twint and notebooks. So this is the code for that. So once I run that code, then I import Twint. Then I have to actually set up a config for our tweet scraping, right? So what I'm going to do over here in the config object is that I'm going to search for the OnePlus 9 Pro in all the tweets. So basically the tweets which have this particular text. And then I'm going to extract 100 tweets, and the tweets are since 30th of March 2021, since the day it has been launched. Right, and I want the output in a pandas data frame. So I say c.pandas is equal to true, and then I run twint.run.search with the search query, basically with the config, right? And here are the tweets which I get out of it. So for example, you can see a lot of tweets of I purchased 9 Pro and no I'm willing to sell it to the other person as it does not have many 5G bands. Okay, some other tweets. So all these tweets mention the word OnePlus 9 Pro somewhere in the tweets. Okay, so based on that, it has actually searched and it has extracted these tweets. Now let us go and look at these are two methods which are useful for us to get what are the data, what are the columns of the data frame, pandas data frame, and this is a method to actually get the data frame. Okay, and these specific columns we want from the data frame. So you pass these specific columns to the function and it will return those particular columns as a data frame. Okay, so the column names which we get are, these are the column names: ID, conversation ID, created at, date, time zone, place, tweet, which is your text, language, hashtags, right, user ID string, then you have thumbnail, a lot of number of likes, number of replies, number of retweets. So these are all the information from your tweets. Okay, so what I am interested over here is in date, username, the text, then the hashtags and the number of likes. So I extract that by calling this twint2pd, which is basically this function where I am passing the columns. Okay, and this code has been actually extracted from this particular article. Okay, so I have now got the tweet data frame over here, and the top, if I print out the top 10 rows, it looks something like this, right? And because I extracted 100 the length of this data frame is 100. So here I have the date, the username. I also have the tweet text over here, any hashtags present within this tweet, and the number of likes for this particular tweet. Okay, now let us go into how we can do sentiment analysis on these tweets using Hugging Face transformers. So I convert these tweets, basically I take the tweet text and convert it into a list, which is my tweet list. Okay, so sentiment analysis with the Hugging Face transformers is this simple. You just have 3 lines over here. From transformers, import a pipeline and initialize the pipeline as sentiment analysis pipeline. So this is your sentiment classifier, which is a sentiment analysis pipeline, and you just have to pass your tweet list or the text list to the sentiment classifier. You will get the results. Okay, So this sentiment classifier classifies every sentence which is present in our tweet list as either positive or negative. Okay, now let us look at the results. So I am iterating over the results, and I am also printing the tweet as well as the results, and I am printing the score, the highest score, which basically the label the highest score, whether positive or negative. So let us look at some of the examples over here of the results. Okay, so the first tweet says like, I purchased 9 Pro, now I am selling it to the other person as it doesn't have any 5G bands. OnePlus is making Indian fools. Also no wireless charging. So this is negative tweet, right? So it is labeled as negative with a score of 0.99. Okay. The second one is like, was talking about how we could confuse that for a 9 Plus Pro, looks nothing like it. I don't know if it is negative, it could be neutral as well, but it gives negative over here. Okay, this is another disadvantage with the Hugging Face Transformer sentiment analysis pipeline. You only have two categories, either it is a positive or a negative, but generally in tweets you also have neutral tweets, okay, which neither implies it is a positive tweet or a negative tweet. Okay, another example over here is like about OnePlus 9 Pro has best sharpness, overall color on a bit cooler side but somewhat more pleasing. So OnePlus 9 Pro wins, obviously positive. Okay, so you have this positive and negative. It classifies tweets as positive and negative over here. The only disadvantage I see is that there is nothing like a neutral class, but it is this simple that you just need 3 lines over here. You just import the pipeline from transformers, you initialize the pipeline as sentiment analysis pipeline, and then just pass your text to that. Okay, it does you this sentiment analysis and gives you the results. In this short video, I have explained how you can perform tweet sentiment analysis, how you can extract tweets using the Twint Python package, and how you can perform sentiment analysis using the Hugging Face Transformers sentiment analysis pipeline. Just keep in mind that you don't have a neutral class when you are doing the sentiment analysis classification with the Hugging Face Transformers. Probably you can look at some of the scores and then maybe decide if a tweet is neutral, it is neither positive nor negative. This code will be hosted on GitHub, and the link for which will be put in the description of the video. I'll also put the link for the Hugging Face Transformers as well as for the Twint Python package along with the relevant articles. If you like such video, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.